it's Pearl, and today we are at my desk area because we're gonna be decluttering this whole mess and we're gonna redecorate my walls because it's looking a little blank, just so I can be motivated and organized when the school year starts. So without further ado, let's begin! Here is what we're working with. We have this rolled wafer tin and it just stores a lot of my pens and stationery stuff, but I don't use a lot of it, so I want to declutter it and hopefully take away this tin. And then here I just have some notebooks. I got my lamp. My planner is back there, and my whiteboard that I don't use. Up here I have my streamers that I got from the BTS Love Yourself tour, and they've been arranged like this for 2 years now, so we're gonna change it just to mix things up. Here I have a random scratch piece of paper that I'm going to use to write down my to-do list, but I haven't had anything to do, so it's blank. And then I have some notes and one BTS picture, so we're going to change that and we're going to add more decorations just to make it more fun. So yeah, that's what we're working with. Alright, I got a organizer that I had originally given to my mom for her to use, but I'm stealing it back today. So I'm going to use this to put some of my little knickknacks and my notepads just to organize things. But this one's a lot smaller than the tin that I was using, so that's good. Alright, I finished organizing it, so I'm gonna move this over right next to the wall, and then I'm gonna put this on the side, I guess, on top. Yeah, on top looks good. And then along with that, I'm gonna move this, and I'm gonna put my little lucky cat. It's my favorite figurine. It's adorable. There we go. And then I think I'm also gonna put my little rake guy. No, I don't like it. Maybe Donald Duck. There we go. That's better. I've cut it down a lot, so now I just have my most used stationery items here, my little lucky cat to accompany me, and Donald Duck. And here I just have my notepads, some more small stationery stuff, and some stickers, my mouse, and my phone holder. So yeah, now I'm gonna wipe some of this stuff down, as well as the desk, because it's kind of dirty. Alright, and then now I'm going to put my laptop back, and my folder, and my notebook. It's got Tata. And then also my planner so that I can grab it super easily. And then that's it for the table portion. Now the fun part, we're gonna decorate. So we're gonna first rearrange the streamers, and then we'll think about posters and all that fun stuff. So I have adjusted it. It's a little bit smaller and there's less streamers because honestly I think it was a little too much. But now we're going to go on to decorating. I'm gonna rip this down because I'm probably not gonna use it now that I bought a planner. But yeah, we're going to grab some of my photos and other random thingies and we're gonna throw them up here. Let's go. Right here on my lamp, I'm going to dangle a little chimney keychain right there. Oops. You must face this way. Okay, and then here on my table, I just have some photos laid out that I might want to use. I'm planning on using this Love Yourself Answer poster as the big centerpiece right here, but we're gonna play around with the layout of all of these photos and thingies. I made a little crane. Hello! As you can tell, it is a lot later. It's not Sunset Boulevard any longer. We are now approaching like 10:30, but anyways, I finished decorating and organizing, so now I guess I'll just give you a tour. Not much has changed here. I just added a little lip balm, and then here on my lamp I added another keychain. It is a cat keychain and it has my last name in Chinese, the character for my last name. Yes, so moving on to the decorations, because again not much has changed here. We have the Love Yourself Answer poster. It took a very long time to straighten, but I finally got it, and I did adjust the streamers a little bit because I added my little crane friend right there. So adorable. Yeah, it was hanging kind of weird, so I had to adjust the proportions. And then right here I have a Dissent is Patriotic sticker, and that is from the ACLU, or the American Civil Liberties Union. Go check them out. And then that's it. It's just really simple. But over here I do have a little Rocky. He's just chilling. He's making sure I finish all my work, although I probably won't be able to see him when I have my laptop up, but it's fine. He's here. He's watching over me. And yeah, it's very simple, very basic. It's not like your typical aesthetic, you know, desk area. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but it's my style and I like it. It's simple and clean, and I think I really need that this semester. So I think we have achieved it, so that's great. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little transformation. Yeah, with that, I'll see you next time. Bye!